a small act with a surprisingly big impact. In this Swedish city, wild crows are literally cleaning up human trash, and not because anyone forced them, but because they figured it out themselves.
The moment a cigarette butt drops inside, a tiny food reward pops out. That's it. No lectures, no special equipment. Just a clever loop between a brilliant bird and a very human problem.
And honestly, it's embarrassing how fast they learn. While humans struggle to stop littering, these crows figured out a recycling system in minutes. Drop a butt, get a snack. Next bird up. In a city that can't sweep fast enough, they're running their own cleanup crew.
If wild animals are cleaning up after us, maybe the problem isn't their intelligence, but our habits. Sometimes nature doesn't just adapt, it calls us out.